Hello everyone and welcome back to another Learn Lounge tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to share our links with students. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to log into our teacher account, and we can do that by going to dashboard.learnlounge.games/login. Okay, exactly what I have typed up here. And on this page, we want to sign in using our email and password. So let's do that really quickly. Oh, cannot type today. All right. Once you have those typed in, you click sign in right here. And it's going to take you to the dashboard home page. All right. So on the left-hand side, notice that there is courses. If we click on that, it's going to open up the course menu. And you can click on whichever course that you're working with. So let's just say we're working in first course. We want to share this one with our students. Notice on the right-hand side that there is the word share. If we click on that, hey, it looks like nothing happens. But what's actually happening is the link for our games, where these questions that we've created in this course are embedded into. That link is being copied into our clipboard. And so what we need to do is take this link and just share with our students. And you can do it however you want. Let's just say that you are wanting to email your students. So let's just do that. We'll just open up Gmail here really quickly. And we're going to compose a new email. If it'll load. Yep, there it is. And I'm just going to send it to students. Right there. Subject. Let's say ninth grade. Oh, math game. Oh, game link. Okay. And you can type out your message all in there. But earlier when we hit the share button, our link was copied directly to our clipboard. Okay, so all we need to do is right click right here and then select paste, and boom, there it is. That is the link to our course. You can hit send, which I'm not going to do because this is just a fake little thing. But you can send it to your students, and then whenever students go to this link, okay, since we have a copy, and I'm just going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to copy it or paste it into here. We'll paste, hit enter. Okay, this is where it's going to take our students. So once they click on the link, they'll be redirected to the game page, and then they can go ahead and start playing. You know, click on whatever level, level 1. They can immediately go into the game and start answering the questions that were in that course. Okay, so look at this first question. Chris likes Android phones. If we go back, I'm jumping tabs, go back to our course tab. If you click on questions, you can look at the list of questions and notice that, yeah, this was definitely one of the ones that we created for this course. Okay, so that is how you can share your link with the students. You can email it, you can text it to your students, you can, however it is that you contact your students, just copy the link by clicking share. Let me go back to it. Click share, and then paste it into whatever message you are sending out to your students. That's all there is to it. That's how you can share your course link with your students. That's all I have for you guys today. Take care.